Hi there! In this tutorial, we will learn how to complete the registration for a competition after your request to join it has been approved. After your competition application has been approved, you may still need to complete some tasks before your participation is officially confirmed. Go to the competition screen and tap My Applications. There, you'll find your application, marked with the status in progress. Tap it to open the application screen. Here you'll see a list of tasks to complete. Task 1. Submit list of players. You'll need to provide a list of players within the required minimum and maximum. Before starting, make sure all your players are already added in your team management profile. Tap the task. Then, tap Add Player. A pop-up will appear, showing your team members. You can add or remove players who will participate in the competition. Once your list is complete, tap Submit Players List so the competition admin can review it. Task 2. Submit player photos. Tap the task. And you'll see all the registered players listed, with an Upload button next to each name. Upload photos for every player by selecting them from your phone's photo library. When all players have photos uploaded, tap Submit Photos. That's it! Both tasks will now show the status in review, meaning the competition admin is checking them. Once everything is approved, your participation will be officially confirmed. Enjoy the competition!